Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to transfer money from your bank to STC Pay in 2025. With the latest updates, this process is faster, more secure, and super straightforward, making your financial transactions a breeze. Whether you're topping up for online shopping, bills, or sending money to friends, you'll be done in no time. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have the STC Pay app installed on your phone and that your bank's mobile app is updated to the 2025 version for seamless integration and new features like biometric authentication. Step 1. Open your bank's mobile app and log in using your username, password, or fingerprint for quick access. It's all about convenience. Step 2. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. Most apps have a dedicated area for external transfers, so look for that. Step 3. Select STC Pay as the recipient. If it's not listed, you can add it by entering the STC Pay mobile number or account ID. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any hiccups. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to transfer and include any additional details, like a reference note, to keep track of your transaction. Step 5. Review everything on the screen to ensure the details are correct, then hit Confirm. In 2025, you'll likely get a one-time password, OTP, via SMS or even facial recognition for extra security. Just follow the prompts. And that's it. The funds should appear in your STC Pay account almost instantly. Remember, always transfer to verified accounts and keep an eye on transaction fees. If you encounter any issues, check your app's help center or contact support. This simple process puts you in control of your money. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.